Azania Mosaka on Migos Scandal, it was absolutely dramatic. Radio and TV personality Azania Mosaka says her daughter Shamiso had to go for counseling after suggestions that she had spent the night with a member of US rap group Migos during their tour to the country last year. Shamiso was dragged on social media after she tweeted about one of the members, Quavo, inviting her to the group's table at a Joburg club after the concert. She hit back at suggestions she was hired to entertain them and said the only reason they even spoke was because she was seated directly next to their section. While the streets have since calmed down, Azania told Drum the social media storm around the incident took its toll on their family, and on Shamiso, who was preparing for exams at the time. She was 3 weeks away from her first-year exams at WITS, so it was hard. It was absolutely traumatic. She had to see someone, she had to go for counseling, and she had friends and family there for her as she kept it together to write exams, which she did successfully. Azania defended her daughter when the suggestions first surfaced, explaining in a Twitter thread that her daughter was just excited to see her favorite band and got carried away. She also slammed those who had cyberbullied her. This is a clear case of how an entire experience can be misrepresented and taken out of context. I've spoken to her about last night and I believe her version of events. I stand behind her as a mother and woman. My daughter is not perfect, but I'm confident in the woman I've raised. But I'm appalled by how she is being cyberbullied this morning. Today it's her, but every other day it's someone else. And it's wrong.
Yeah.